Energetic electrons are known to be a result of substorm processes that form quasi-permanent structures in Mercury's magnetosphere. These energized electrons can become trapped on magnetic field lines and have been observed by messenger instruments to drift on closed field lines in the Hermian magnetosphere. In order to study the confinement, or lack thereof, of energetic electrons in the outer parts of the dayside magnetosphere of Mercury, we use 20 Hz magnetometer data to identify magnetopause boundary locations as the messenger spacecraft traverse the dayside region. We then use the high time resolution electron measurements from the gamma ray spectrometer, or GRS, to find events occurring in and around the magnetopause. We saw many cases of strong particle confinement, where intense electron fluxes were observed just inside the magnetopause boundary that then significantly decreased upon reaching the local magnetosheath. Conversely, we documented cases showing escape where magnetospheric electrons appeared to be leaking across the dayside magnetopause. These findings are just the first step in determining the dominant loss mechanisms of energetic electron fluxes. Join me on February 3rd as we explore the loss of energetic electrons in the Hermian magnetosphere by way of local magnetic field confinement. We will investigate how frequently the magnetopause represents a strong barrier to particle confinement, and also when leakage from the magnetosphere can occur.